Hello everyone, T-Zilla. Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am back again on YouTube, and today I have another figure to review. This time it's the Ultra Hero series Ultraseven from the 2000 release. That's right, Ultraseven, another Ultra Hero series. Just like Ultraman and Ultraman Jack, I have reviewed Ultraseven before, which was the Ultra Hero 500 series, but this one is the Ultra Hero series from the 2000 release. Now let's get started. I want to say detail is pretty basic on Ultraseven. I have reviewed an Ultraseven figure before. If you haven't seen my review on the Bandai Ultra Hero 500 series, I will link it in the description down below. And I want to say the paint job is really nice on Ultraseven. I love the red all over his entire body. Got some on the boots, underneath, arms, his back. And I like the silver white color that they added on him. And I like how they painted his timer. Got that green color, that metallic green. And I like how they painted his eyes. Yeah. Yeah, Bandai did a nice job painting the figure. And underneath the feet, right there it says Bandai 2000. That's the year it was made. So yeah. Paint job and detail looks really nice on Ultraseven. It is spot on. I love the detail and the paint job. Articulation, both arms can go 360. Waist can go 360. Pretty basic. Now moving on to sizing. I don't have any alien villains that he fought in his episode in his TV series, but I do have the monsters that he fought. Since Ultraseven is a 6-inch figure, he's not going to scale well with any of the monsters that he fought in his TV series, but he will scale well with the humanoid aliens. Throughout the TV series, Seven didn't fight that many monsters. He fought a lot of aliens. So the first monster I'm going to compare him with is Reconstructed Pandan, or just Pandan. And I will say sizing's really off because Pandan, he's bigger than Ultraseven, so he should be this big. Yeah, unfortunately, sizing's really off here. Next, a monster that I have not pulled out in a while, Narse. Sizing looks okay. I think Narse is supposed to be a little bit bigger. He should be about this big. He is a long monster. He's basically a serpent from outer space. Yeah. He didn't really fight this monster, but I want to pull him out anyways. Red King. Now scaling with Red King looks pretty good. I mean, Red King seems to be taller than 7. This actually looks pretty good. So yeah, not bad. This would be a good match. Ultraseven versus Red King. Now let's compare him with Godzilla. This time, the Bandai Creation 1968 Godzilla. Perfect. Now I'm just going to scale him with some random humanoid aliens that I have. First one is Yapul, giant Yapul. Alien Seton. Alien Knuckle or Knuckle Station, the Mebius version. Here's the first Ultraman. Okay. Ultraman Jack. And a last, Ultraman Ace. So that was my review on the Bandai Ultraseven. Detail and paint job is pretty basic, but it's very good. Articulation is pretty basic. Both arms and waist move. And sizing, he's a 6-inch figure. He's only going to scale well with the humanoid aliens and his brothers, but with the monsters he won't, unless you have the Ultra Hero 500 series. That one's pretty small, and that one will scale well with the monsters. I will give this figure a 10 out of 10. In my opinion, it's a pretty cool figure, and Ultraseven is one of my favorites. If you're a big fan of Ultraman and you really like Ultraseven and you're a big fan of him, go ahead and get him. I highly recommend him to you. So that was my review for today. Thank you all so much for watching my content. You guys are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you guys like what you see, remember to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and don't forget to leave a like. And I will see you all in the next video. See ya!